In this video, we will learn how to add new slide in PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your PowerPoint and here you can see the left hand side have a one slide. Okay. If you want to add the one more slide, just right click on slide and here have an option new slide. Just click on it and you can easily add here the new slide. Same as the second way, go to the home tab in slide group, have a new slide option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Here the office theme. Just click on the first one, the title slide. If you want a different format type, so you can select a different slide also. If you want the blank, just click on the blank. Okay, so this is a way you can add here the slide easily. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.